Hi, this is Kelly Mano with Uprooted Academy, and I'm your college scholarship counselor. Welcome to part 4 of our scholarship series, where we're going to be talking about actually applying for the scholarships. Let's get right to it. The first thing I want you to think about when you're applying for scholarships is to use your research. We've talked in previous sessions about making sure you understand the scholarship, what the judges are looking for, what kind of requirements they are. All of those things are going to help you write everything in your application, from your activities to your essay. Let's start with activities description. How do you stand out from the competition? I'm going to give you 2 examples to give you an idea of what we're talking about here. So the first thing I want to look at is a scholarship that's focusing on environmental conservation. You could just say that you volunteer for New York City's Central Park Conservancy. But what sounds much better and much more specific for the scholarship is to say, volunteer for New York City's Central Park Conservancy promoted environmental stewardship by raking, mulching, and weeding. Just adding that phrase really gives the judges a much better idea of what you did for your activity. Let's look at a second example. Now we have a scholarship that's focusing on student leadership. We can use this same activity, volunteer for New York City's Central Park Conservancy, but that doesn't really tell us anything about your leadership. So instead, try volunteer for New York City's Central Park Conservancy. Led a team of 5 teens to carry out mulching and weeding in Central Park. You want to be specific and showcase your talents as they relate to the scholarship's purpose. When you're writing the essay, it's going to be very similar to when you were writing your essays for college applications. You were trying to showcase your strengths, your skills, your interests, and talents that you would be bringing to the college campus. All right, now when you're thinking about writing essays for the scholarships, you're trying to showcase why you deserve to win that particular scholarship. Some things to help you is, do you have essays that you've already written that you can repurpose? Remember, this does not mean you just hand in the essay as it is. Instead, you want to take the essay and change it to make sure that you're fitting the purpose of that scholarship. Something else that you can do, which is really helpful, is create a scholarship resume. It's very similar to a resume that you would use to get a job, but you're going to instead focus on the activities and other skills that you have that will help you to win scholarships. Things to include would be your contact information, your education, your academic achievements, extracurricular activities, and any work experience. Don't forget about skills and interests as well that can connect you to that scholarship. Lastly, your letters of recommendation. These are really important because they're an opportunity for other people to tell the scholarship judges why you should win. Once you decide who you want to ask, make sure you give them all of the information that they need to write your recommendation. Anything about the scholarship, including deadlines, is important for the recommender to have. If there's any specific recommendation form, make sure they have a copy. Give them a copy of your resume to help them write about your accomplishments. This will help them to really tailor your letter of recommendation to you and how you fit the scholarship and why you deserve to win. That's it for now. Stay tuned for our last minute thoughts in part 5 when it comes to scholarships. And good luck. Remember, you've got to be in it to win it.